absolutely love them, but I want to know about them. So the first thing I want to know about is the steel or the iron, or why is it any good?
Right. The main reason that these tools have lasted so long is precisely that: it's the steel. It's good quality British steel.
Yeah.
It's carbon steel.
Right.
No fuss, no stainless, no nonsense. It's steel that's tough and durable and will do the job. It's not too soft that it just bends.
Yeah.
And it's not too hard that it will snap. It's
Yeah.
been properly hardened and then tempered, so it's got a lot of give. And that's what makes these tools what they are.
Because I've had spades of a more recent nature, and I won't mention the make, but it was rather high quality, and I paid quite a lot of money for my spade, and it didn't last. It actually bent. Why would that be?
The reason really is that the steel that they used to use for making these sort of tools, the steel makers don't make it like that anymore.
Right.
They don't, so they have to use steel that is made for other purposes.
Right.
So even top quality makers, even Bulldog Tools, who still make tools, they're the only company now manufacturing garden tools in this country.
Right.
But unfortunately they still can't get as good a steel as they used to.
I got it.
The other big names that we know of, Spear and Jacksons, etc., they now it's all made abroad,
Right.
and then shipped back in again.
Got you.